NEET examination related to Kingdom Protista. You can say this all are the questions which are basically asked in every competitive exam related to biology. So these all are the common questions which are related to Kingdom Protista, or you can say important question related to Kingdom Protista. So here we start. On first, chrysophytes, euglenoid, dinoflagellates and slime molds are included in the Kingdom Protista. Select the wrong statement. So wrong statement is the walls of diatom are easily destructible. Here also pick up the wrong statement. So wrong statement is nuclear membrane is present in Monera. I am not going to discuss about other three options. You can see. So on 4, in which group of organism the cell wall form two thin overlapping cells which fit together? So chrysophytes. What is common about Trypanosoma, Noctiluca, Monocystis and Giardia? So they are unicellular protista. Oxospore and Hormocyst are formed respectively by several diatoms and a few cyanobacteria. On 7, when a freshwater protozoan processing a contractile vacuole is placed in a glass containing marine water, the vacuole will disappear. The chief advantage of encystment to an amoeba is the ability to survive during adverse physical condition. Yeah, amoeba can change its shape to live in any environment, you can say. Extranuclear inheritance occurs in killer strain in Paramecium. Yeah, there are types of Paramecium, so extranuclear inheritance occur in killer Paramecium. Which of the following organism possesses characteristic of both plant and animal? Yeah, Euglena is exceptional. It is also a plant and animal. Macro and micronucleus are the characteristic feature of Paramecium and Verticella. Excretion in amoeba occurs through contractile vacuole. Protestant genome has membrane-bound nucleoprotein embedded in cytoplasm. And amoeba coli causes none of these. Neither pyorrhea, dysentery, diarrhea, none of these. Protists obtain food as photosynthesizer and symbiotists and holotrophs. If all pond and puddles are destroyed, the organism likely to be destroyed in Plasmodium. This question asked in AIPMT 1993. The part of life cycle of malarial parasite Plasmodium vivax that is passed in female Anopheles is sexual cycle. African sleeping sickness is due to Trypanosoma gambiense transmitted by Glossina palpalis. This is the very important question. It is basically asked in every competitive examination. This question is asked in BHU also in 2017 maybe. I am not sure about that. In amoeba and Paramecium, osmoregulations occur through contractile vacuole. This question is asked in 1991, 95 and 2002. So it is also important. Who discovered Plasmodium in RBC of Levren? Malignant tertian malaria is caused by Plasmodium falciparum. This question is very important. Basically, this question is asked everywhere. I have also given many of the competitive examination and I found this question as a common question. Genetic information in Paramecium is micronucleus. Plasmodium, the malarial parasite, belong to Sporozoa. Amoebiasis is prevented by drinking boiled water. What is true about Trypanosoma? Polymorphic. Trypanosoma belong to class Zooflagellata. The vector of sleeping sickness is CC fly. The infective state of malarial parasite Plasmodium that enters human body is sporozoite. Malarial fever coincide with liberation of merozoites. So these all are the questions which are basically related to Kingdom Protista. Thank you.